Hello, hello, and welcome to some more Satisfactory. Today we're probably going to finish the fuel, I think. I put hopefully, because, even if I think this is only going to take a few more minutes to at least get the packaged fuel done, it's probably going to take the whole 3 hours. Who knows? I do want to get this name changed. I noticed this. This is at the a water drop-off for plastic, so then we know exactly what's coming here. And there's our fluid truck. Alright, bringing the water over here. So basically, I think where we ended off yesterday, I just needed to get these hooked up. Like, I think this one was underclocked to the 30, so it'll come to this one. It needs the 30 that is also underclocked. So we need to get these down. And we're only connecting 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. Yeah, otherwise these should be one machine each. So this is 40 per minute, and then these are all 40 per minute as well. Yes. 40 per minute. Okay. So yeah, we just need to get the fuel in there. We got the canisters making them, and they're not making yet because this fuel needs a place to go, and it is backing up a bit. So let's get under there and fix it. We'll just go ahead and use these pipes, because why not? Okay, so basically, just want to make sure I don't fall off a cliff here. That has happened before. So that to there, to... I don't need to count. It's... Oops, I don't have those ones hooked up. Let's get back up there really quick. So yeah, we had run into an issue where there was still some heavy oil residue in the machines from previous work, and yeah, we had to drain all that out to get these going. They should be going now since, well, kind of. I guess it's still... Are these powered up? These might need... Oh, there's still heavy oil residue in there. I didn't get that one changed. Okay. It still says it's heavy oil residue. Do they stay in that floor hole too? Let me get these floor holes in really quick, and then we'll figure that out, why there's still heavy oil residue in there. I tried flushing it, but that didn't work either. Let's go into logistics and pipeline hole. There we go. How far out do we go? Okay, about right there. I think we just need these two. Yep. Get these hooked up. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so why are these still heavy oil residue? I wouldn't think there'd be any in there. We'll go ahead and just dismantle that too. We'll just redo all these. What does this one have? None in that pipe. None in that pipe. Okay, so it was just these that I think needed to be fixed, hopefully. Like right there and right there, I think. Yep. Alright. Okay. Nothing in the pipe now. Beautiful. Because yeah, I had tried flushing it. That did nothing, so I don't know. If it was just a bug where it was getting stuck in there, I don't know. But doesn't matter. Fixed now. Just had to destroy everything. Alright, so let's get this into there. And that one does have fuel in it, so that one is fine. Okay, now why are these not going? How broken is this? That is the question. Alright, because they are not going. What is in here? Crude oil. It's fine. Okay, so that has nothing coming out. It is hooked up though. It's not getting the fuel. Why is there heavy oil residue? So flushing it does not, it's just stuck with heavy oil residue. It's not resetting. That one too. That thankfully has fuel. Those have fuel. These two are stuck. They just keep getting heavy oil residue. There's no heavy oil residue. What's in these pipes? Oh, they're in that pipe too. Good lord. Why can't it just be easy? I'm just gonna completely dismantle all of these. Well, no, when I say all of these, I just mean those, and just start over. I don't know where that heavy oil residue keeps coming from. I mean, it was previously being made in here, but I thought we had it all flushed out. Apparently not. We will need to go back under, because I think it had deleted pipes that were connecting. Well, yeah, it would have, because we destroyed the hole. Yep. So we just need to get this. This should work now. We should see fuel. I'm not saying fuel in there, but I think they were going. I think it's just not being visible like that one. That is weird that those don't show. Neither is that one, but I think they should be fine. Let's get back up there. And then for the rest of the fuel, those ones that ain't currently going, 'cause we do need everything to be moving. Okay, they are all green now. Well, except the last one, but that was the last one we hooked up, and that one could already be full. Oh yeah, it's still waiting for the empty canisters, so these are making, but yeah, there's... Yeah, we need to get a lot more of this stuff going as well. We need to figure out where to take the rest of these, which will probably take them this way to some different machines. We'll need to figure it out, because right now we only have... Okay, all these are working, though. Yeah, these are just making the plastic. We'll need to do the math and see if... how much more stuff we need, if anything. Like, these are 30 per minute. Is that what this all needs? Does this need to be all the machines running? Yes, they do. Okay. So we have enough machines for it to take everything. We just need to make some fuel generators, probably, to get these 5 machines going. Because those 5 machines are going into these 5. So now we need some fuel generators. How much fuel does fuel generators need? I can never remember that. So let's go over here and see. So unfortunately, if you put down a fuel generator, it doesn't tell you unless you hook it up, which I think is kind of crappy. It is 20. Perfect. That is beautiful. So we'll get some of them made. And then it should be good. We should be running at 100% efficiency if I did all the... If Past Okerlund did the math correctly. I won't blame me. I'll blame past me. Alright. So these are, I think, 40? Yeah, they are 40. So we're going to have 10 fuel generators, which is awesome. Wrong button. Actually, I'm going to use this one. There we go. So we need 10 of them. We can delete that now, because I think we kind of are getting that. We're not going to move the coal plant, 'cause I thought maybe we would move it, but I finally decided on using packaged fuel for vehicles instead of using just coal. So then after we get this all going at good efficiency, we will try to figure out how to get the packaged fuel to the vehicles, how to get it around the little factory village we have over there. So we need supplies. We need some motors, which thankfully we have. We will need to get that automated soon. We also need to get computers automated too, so we can start getting that milestone finished as well. But we'll get to the milestone stuff probably... Today's Thursday, right? We'll probably hopefully start it by tomorrow, hopefully. Alright. We got copper sheets going. We have rubber over there. We'll just pick it up when we go back over there. Quick wire is way over there. Well, not too far over there, but just right up that hill. And then we'll get the copper sheets, which is way over there. As a reminder, I am using randomized nodes. I don't know if I still have that in the description or not. Probably should add that if I don't. Wait, where was it? Oh, this ain't it. This is... It's over there. Whoops, I went up to the wrong place. Ow. It's over here because we're currently making rotors with them. Quick wire. We got plenty. We just need a stack. Yep. How many do we have? I'll go ahead and pick up a couple extra. So I think do we need quick wire for anything? I'm actually gonna put away that one just to free up a stack space, an inventory space. Alright, copper sheets are up there at that building there. We can probably expand this fuel plant too. I'm not going to worry about that now, but that's definitely one we can expand on. Because we didn't have the MK2 pipes when I built that, so we can double that capacity. So we're going to be fine on power for a little bit, since we're going to be putting up 10 more machines over there. Yeah, these ain't going right now because this is probably full. Just a bit. I do want a little more though. We need 3, yeah. Because I'll probably needing to make some pipes, maybe. Oh yeah, not maybe. We will be using them to make pipes. Alright, let's get back over here, get the rubber, which is in one of these containers there. We'll need to get rubber automated as well, which this is just going to be plastic, so I'm not going to automate it here. Let's grab another one. Oh, we are completely full up on our inventory now. Okay. So yeah, we can probably fit all of them right here. So we do need to get this in output as well. I should go ahead and do so that it doesn't back up. Oh, that's gonna be the bad thing if it backs up. So what should be the backup plan? We have, what kind of splitter was it? Oh, it's only a merger. We don't have the smart splitter thing yet. So I think we need that splitter where it'll mainly go off into one direction. But then if it gets full up, it turns and goes into a sink. That's what we need. I mean, for the moment, we could just use a splitter and have it go off. I think once the other side gets full, it would automatically go anyway to the other side. I don't know if the splitter would just get full and it would just back up. I think it would probably... I mean, yeah, it'd be splitting off, but we're making quite a bit of fuel for what we need right now, so probably be okay. Probably. Let's go ahead and get the fuel-powered generators up. Probably start over here, because I need to kind of figure out... I want to see, how many does it take up? 2.5? Okay, we will have much room that way. I just need enough room for like 5, which... I think just starting there would probably be fine. And we don't need anything right here, so that don't matter. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll put this one and 2 more, 2 on each side. Okay, then we just need 5 more. So I think we'll just put it right there. It's evened up with that. Now, can these fill up before I add a connection? Not sure, because I want them all to get full before I add a connection to it. Otherwise, I can add the connection and just put it into standby mode. Then it'll still fill up, but we'll see. Alright, let me get logistics. We need some floor holes. Whoops, can't walk over them. Thought you could. We really only need the MK1 pipes for these. So they just look better. I don't have the clean pipes unlocked yet. Actually think I'm putting this a little bit too far away, but honestly, doesn't really matter. So yeah, we only need the MK1 pipes for these. Yeah, I did make that a little too far away, but it's fine. I don't know what that looked better. I guess noodle looks fine. My frames definitely drop whenever I'm dealing with pipes. It was fine for the first couple weeks on the experimental, but I don't know what's wrong with it now, but oh well. Yeah, we do need to get these sorted. Let's go ahead and get those. Oops, do I need to add the holes? I think I do, don't I? Yes, I do. That would help. Okay, let me grab a pipe. Okay, let's head down. And I don't think we'll need to flush anything. I think everything will kind of catch up on itself and be fine. Alright, so it's going to be those, and they need to make their way over there. Urgh, we got a lot of... This is going to be a mess. I don't really mind if it clips too much, but I could... Yeah, these are in a terrible spot, ain't they? See, I need it from there. They need to go over there. Well, what we can do right now is... We'll link them all together like we did here with the water. Well, that's not linking them together, that's splitting them off, but we're gonna merge them all together. Right there is probably fine. Don't get too far away. No, that one's fine. Okay, I'll just use the MK2. And we might put in a pump too, just to make sure it gets through. So I mean, we'll be going a little bit of a distance, not far, but I will just put in a pump just in case. It'll come out right here. And it'll be going along here. Let me get this to noodles fine. Okay. So yeah, I think if I move this to go up a little bit, what is this holding? Well, nothing's even on that yet. Oh, that's for the package. The packages for the fuel, I believe. Yeah, we just need this to kind of go up and over. Honestly, we can just... Whoops. Just do that, and then this pipe. This pipe. Just kind of go... Sounded like it was clipping on this. Oh, it is clipping onto something up there. That is weird. I don't want it to do that. Oh yeah, let's just go through there. Let's pull it out a little bit, then we'll get the T-junctions on over here too. Just want to make sure I know where it's at. Alright, and the thing... I need my flashlight. There we go. We can see. I'll need to move that one as well, and that one. So yeah, it'll come in. Oh, is this right there too? Is that a... Oh my god, this turning thing is annoying. Okay, that is one too. Okay. That won't be an issue. If we... Grab a pipe. Oh, not a pipe. T-junction. Well, we shouldn't do on that side, because that's definitely... That would be in the way. So yeah, we need to do it on this side then. Just trying not to fall. This is in a really bad location down here. Is that close? Is that too close? No, I'll just move it back one. There we go. I don't think there's any more cliffs to worry about. Oh my god, it keeps auto-turning. That's frustrating. It's like, no, I want it that way. Okay. And for these, I'll just put it on this side, I suppose. If it stops auto-turning. Stay this way! Should be that. What's that one? That one is right, okay. And this one, we will need to move the conveyor belt. So we need to move that conveyor belt down a little bit, and then... yeah. Well, that's just hauling the coal. I mean, that conveyor belt's going to end up leaving, so actually we might just leave it there and clip. Because that is going to fuel. Yeah, all these conveyor belts are actually just going to fuel from the coal. So we can actually get rid of that eventually. I mean, once we get the packaged fuel sent out. So I will go ahead and clip this through. There's no sense in moving it just to get rid of it. Okay. Whoops, I missed one. Oh, I missed two. Whoopsie. There, and... okay, we should be good now. Let's grab that pipe. Let's get all these connected and we'll connect that up. Swing around. Okay, that is all of them. Let's get it hooked up with fuel. And yeah, I think, yeah, we'll put in... I'll just put in a pump right there, I think. Just to make sure it all goes good. Probably don't need one. Better safe than sorry, though. We could put another one over there, but how much power do these take? 8. That's not bad. Could put another one right there, just to make sure it all goes and pumps in. That does go all the way down. Screw it, I'm just gonna put another pump. Probably overkill, but it's fine. Okay, let's go see if it's filling up or if we need to connect them to power. I like this little ladder right here. I don't think they're filling up with... no, they're not filling up with fuel. Oh, you can see the burn rate there. So you can see the burn rate, it's just not listed where it is on all the other machines. Huh. Well, that is good to know. Unless that's only there because of the hookup, which that could be the case too. Yeah, I don't think any of these are... I guess I can just check this. There's currently no fuel in the pipe. Oh! That did fill up. Okay, they are filling up. It's just taking a minute. Or more than a minute. It could be backed up because we don't have an output. Oh yeah, because these are full now. Okay, we need to get these figured out. What is this road going to? This is... I want to see something. Can I combine this road with this road? Can I have two different... it looks like I can. Okay, I wasn't sure if you could have two different trucks on the same path. So I don't know if you could combine the paths. Looks like you can. That is good to know. See, I could make use of this path here then. I should move these though. Of course, these are right here in the way. I don't want to destroy any of these because, yeah, let's get these moved out of the way over here. You go there, you there, and you there. Alright, let's get all these moved. It's easier to do it this way over trying to deal with full inventory. Okay. So let's get those sunk, moved over. The road will be... kind of want to go to the corner and then over. Yeah, right here. Where was the road at? Oh, right there. Perfect. Alright, so this is the continuation of that road. Alright, so we will show the road with the bigger trucks. Alright, so we only need a tractor, I think, hauling around the fuel. Yeah, it is starting to fill up, but yeah, that one did fill up now, but we're gonna wait, because it's gonna back up anyway, due to this, because these are full. So I'm not gonna power those on just yet. Otherwise they'll just get emptied out and... Okay. While we wait on that... How are we on power? Yeah, our max consumption is over our capacity, but I mean, obviously we're not using that much because a lot of the machines ain't currently running. They'll be running more eventually. Because I would like to get all the machines running and maybe get some sinks in. Just for some more passive coupons, like once... We need that smart splitter. I think you unlocked that in the MAM, if I remember correctly. We need to work on the MAM too. Hard drives and all that stuff. It's not under power slugs. Mycelia? No. Caterium. Here it is. Smart splitter. What the program? I think it's this one though. All we need is some AI limiters, which I think we can probably make by hand. Oh yeah, definitely. And this makes, well, just one. So we'll need enough for 10, so it looks like 1,000 quicksilver and 250 copper sheets. So let's go grab some more quicksilver. Let's get these AI limiters and let's get that smart splitter. All we really need it for right now is for the fuel. So we can sink any excess so that machine constantly goes. Oh yeah. The quick wire's over here. Whoa! That was close. Thought for sure I was gonna run into it. Okay. So got 1,000 of those. Do I need... Yeah, I do need some more copper sheets. We only got 33. Just grab 2 more stacks of those, and then let's create 10 AI limiters, and let's get that smart splitter, which I'm pretty sure is what I'm thinking it is. We kind of change where it just goes one way, but if it's full, it goes the other way. So then I can sink what's left. All the excess. So I'd like to get to the point where the factory is constantly running. Every single building. If it gets full, it just goes into a sink. It's gonna need a lot of power if I do that, though. Alright, let's grab 2 stacks of these. Now let's go make a couple of AI limiters by hand. Then we'll have to see how to make them, which I'm sure they're going to require AI limiters. So I probably should have brought a little extra with me, but we'll see what they need first. AI limiters, there they are. Can make 75 of them. Alright. All we need is 10. Oh, it's oh, I see. I was... Yeah. We didn't need that many. It's fine. It was 100 to make 5. I had misread that. Anyway. Doesn't matter. Where was it at? Was it Caterium? Yeah, there it is. Smart splitter. Let's see if that's what I'm thinking of. Is there anything else we could grab? I'd like to get that too.
The Smart Splitter offers advanced settings that can improve conveyor belt logistics.
Might as well get that too, while we're here.
Research completed. High-speed connector recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
Okay. So the Smart Splitter. There we go. Splits one conveyor belt into 2 or 3. A filter can be set for each output to allow a specific part to pass through. I don't think that's what I was thinking of. Only needs 1. That's good. Oh yeah, you can do none, any. No, this is not what I was thinking of. I mean, this is still good. But I don't think you can set it for when one area is full. It'll go to the next. Is that the other one that I'm thinking of? I'm just going to select a random one. Oh, overflow. There it is. Yep, overflow. This is the right one. Okay, good. So then we can just do any on the center, and then like the left would be overflow. This is what I need. Beautiful. So let's take this. We're going to need it over here. Alright, we need a truck station, so we do need a road through here. Are these is almost emptied out? Of course not. And I could help this one. This one didn't have very much. I can kind of help them. So we can get this done. This probably has a lot, though. Yeah. Whoops, I forgot to put in the... Whoops, did I just... Did I say just destroy that one? Did I really just do that? Apparently. Okay. Okay, right, yes. Is there a... Okay. I don't know what I did. I'm like so distracted. So much going on. Okay. Get those in there. Just kind of help this out here. I think I just got destruction happy of destroying all this stuff. I just destroyed that too. Alright, just these two. There we go. Now let's get these moved over. Finished, moved over. That's not even in the way, really, but I'll just grab them all anyway. Okay. Destroy these. Beautiful. Okay. Of course, we need to fix this. This needs to be... I don't even know what this is for. I could just do that there. And get rid of this. That's just kind of unnecessary. Okay. So I need to build a road here. I also want to connect up the road. Because this is all connected. Yeah, the bridge was kind of unnecessary now that I really... I mean, because I was going to do this as just for the trucks, but the trucks weren't as bad as I thought they were. They turn okay. They do fine. So we could just destroy this bridge and just make a cross intersection here. Do. Hopefully we can build something in the middle here. To kind of fill in this space too. What was that? That was motors, right? Yeah. I like these, but yeah, it's all those ain't the same kind. That's all right. So truck will be stopped, but it'll be fine. We'll fix it. Yep, he's like, what are you doing? Alright. I'm fixing it. Let's get rid of these, because they don't be needed anymore. Okay. Let's grab that. Let's get this going so he can get going again. Alright, he should start moving again. Oh, this was the wrong path. Whoopsie. I need this one. No, that's the one I did, ain't it? Why is he not going? Does this one need to be hooked up too, maybe? Yep, okay, that one just needed hooked up too. Alright, we're good. So number 9. I do like that they can fix themselves. That is awesome. Okay. I'll deal with the road painting and everything off stream. That's not really a fun thing to watch. So, yeah, that one I'll leave for now. Let's go ahead and get a regular path. Along here. Oh, you can't stack them. I have to put it next. That's. I mean, I can put it next to it, though. I mean, I guess that's okay. It's kind of silly that you can't stack them. Can I at least get through this way? Yes. So I think it'll let me go over it. Yeah, I can go over it right there, though. That's interesting, but okay. Going straight, so I'm going around this corner. Let's connect this to this. And then also connect this to that. There we go. Whoops, nope, I need it on straight. There we go. That to there. And do a straight here. Then connect this one to this one. Okay. So there's more driving options. This one around this corner. Alright, so I need to figure this out now. I think just... Okay, the truck is right here. I'm running into him, and I can hear him. Okay. Alright, this needs to be next to it again. Alright, whatever. Let's put it on straight. Let's get this connected here. this one connected here. And this one straight. Yeah, this is definitely really, I don't know. Guess I don't need it going that way. Oh, since I couldn't actually put it over top, I'm kind of regretting this decision now, but it's fine. So is that truck actually stuck right here where it's invisible? No, he's coming right there. Yeah, I can even open his crafting bench right here. But he's right there. That's funny. Okay, anyway. Let's get these sorted now. So I think since we're going to have a lot of excess fuel probably, I first want a storage container for it, because I do want some for like my jetpack and stuff like that. So we'll make a storage container with it first. So let's get it all just merged together. Hey, we'll have better jetpack fuel. That'll be awesome. Okay, then we're just going to put this into here. I'm not going to do the smart splitter for this. Okay, then gradually everything... Well, I guess everything won't turn on yet, because those ain't on. I'll get those on in a minute. Let me get this all sorted first. So then we just need a... Should I do a truck station, or should I just deliver all the fuel via conveyor belts under the... I really don't want to do that, though. I just hate that I need a truck stop going to multiple other truck stops that I need to fill first, and then from those truck stops they feed the fuel into other truck stops. Because I don't think you can deliver fuel to just the fuel slot. So I think if you put the truck station to do unload into the truck station, I think it's going to go into the inventory. It's not going to go into the fuel slot. And that's what we want. Oh, let me go ahead and do a truck station here. Oh, I need some modular frames and rotors. Okay. Modular frames we're not currently making, I don't think. Or maybe we are. Yeah, we are. We're getting them. We have them made up here. Think right. Well, there's the rotors. And then modular frames. I know we're making them. Pretty sure. Oh, they're there. Signs are very handy. Do we have an output for them? It's very possible we haven't done that yet. Yeah, we haven't made an output for the modular frames yet. Yep, there's no output yet. Let me just grab a stack. Okay. Let's go build that truck station now. And that's where we'll use the smart splitter. Alright, truck station. So one on this side. That's right there is fine. Well, I can put it over a little bit more. packaged fuel. Move the autosave. I can't read. Thank you. Packaged fuel pickup. Alright, and I'll also go into here as well. Oops, no, load. So I'll have two inputs here, and a smart splitter also going off into a sink. Which we need cables, of course we do. Which cables are... we have some down here. We don't have any automated just yet. We do need to get those automated as well, but we have quite a few down here. We will be going through pretty quickly though. We did have cables automated. We just kind of took everything down and have been rebuilding the factory, so. Let me go ahead and just pop that there. Okay. So, yeah, we actually need... yeah, I'll get that sink up. Just put it there. Okay. Really don't need to take this underground. Let's just do... do I still have enough for the smart splitter? Ah, I do. Beautiful. Okay, so be coming in from here. I don't need to have it right there. I can put it right here. Okay. So, this is the entrance here. So, center and the right will also be any. These will be fine. This one will be the overflow. So this one won't go into there until it's overflowing. So this will make sure... I don't think that went in. That will make sure... it keeps going. Let's find out. So none should be going that way. Do I want the straight? You know what? It's fine. Yep, none goes that way until this is overflowing. Hopefully it won't once this is full. I don't think it'll start. I think it has both has to be full. Okay. So yeah, we'll definitely wait until this is kind of filled up. Yeah, we probably need like 2 other truck stations, so it's not going to be a lot. Get 2 other truck stations full of these. And then we'll start transferring them to... getting rid of the coal, basically. Yeah, that got full, and yeah, none's going that way yet. Which is awesome. I love the smart splitter. Makes things so much easier to deal with. Okay. So while that fills up, let's go ahead and get those connected, so we can actually... yeah. I could use the better... we haven't even used the other... the MK2 poles. We haven't even used them yet. Actually, this might be a good time to use them, honestly. And I just need less of them. This can go to these 4 machines here. Now, these are all full, right? Yeah, they should all be full. So let's get these 4 up. Then come down here. I don't know where it was. Probably right there. And then this one for the final 2. I'll just slap it right there. Okay, there we go. So eventually these should all start picking back up. And we should not be backed up as long as past me did everything correctly. These have enough water, it just needs to get to polymer resin, which these will gradually be pushing out since these are finally moving. Yep, they're going to be going now. Does it matter if these back up? It actually does, yes, because if these machines back up, it won't fill the fuel fast enough, and... yeah, so we need to make sure that all this stays good. So we'll be checking it from time to time, make sure everything is going. What's our power look like now? 7,000, beautiful. And we can expand that one to 10 more over there as well, so... and we still have another oil right underneath of us as well, so... we got pretty lucky with the random node generator over here. So I think it's right down here that the other... yeah, it's right there. So we can get that rubber making soon too, because we do not have any rubber automated yet. I don't know why I came down here. I guess just to show... to show I wasn't lying, I guess. I don't know. Let's get back up. And all these pumps should be fine. I don't think we need pumps anywhere else. We don't have any pumps on the water, but I don't think we need... oh yeah, I do have a pump on the water, never mind. Just an MK1, but it's not that much water, so... yeah, I think we're fine. I think the pumps are overkill, but I'd rather have overkill than something breaking, so... dealing with fluid in this game kind of sucks. How full is this getting? Okay, not bad. It's getting there. I want to go get rid of a couple things. Wait, why is he... oh, he must have realized this is a faster path now to get to... because this is the new path that I just set. So when you set new paths, they will use the closest. That is really cool. For some reason, I just thought when you set it, they'll just continue using the same path they have, but no. They'll use the fastest available path, I assume. That is really cool. We should get rid of this. Because we can build up the iron plate factory there, another one, if we need it. Only reason I haven't got rid of that yet is because... it's for the iron plates. It's the one that's currently going into the cloud, so I can build foundations and stuff. But yeah, I could build that up on top of foundations. Not really needed right now. Okay. So... we don't need to expand power yet, so yeah. Fine with that. Could go ahead and get cables automated. So we have those. Because we will run out eventually, because we need a lot of cable. What do the computers need? I don't think they need cables. Oh, they do need cables. Okay, so yeah, we're going to need them anyway. And then we'll need to get plastic. So we'll get plastic and rubber going probably on the other oil node. Because all this plastic is being used for packaged fuel. So the other oil node can be plastic and rubber. And I think some of those plastic and rubbers give off... if I can type. There we go. Okay, maybe it's not those. Unless it's with the heavy oil residue. Yeah, this. Petroleum coke. I think you can use that... yeah, as a coal replacement. So we could build some more coal plants, too, with that. I don't think petroleum coke's used in anything. Well, alternate recipes it is. Yeah, it's all alternate recipes. Nothing we have right now, so... it'd be nice to get it, though, because you get a lot of petroleum coke. I mean, it's less efficient, but... it's 120 per minute, so... not bad. Let's go ahead and grab some of this fuel for us. Because... yeah, let's go get rid of... I've never actually used packaged fuel in this game. I played... my first playthrough was on 250 hours before 1.0. Yeah, I never used packaged fuel. It's crazy. Oh, I don't have enough room. I'm just gonna destroy it. But it's definitely better. We could actually probably get up now from the bottom a lot easier now. Okay, we can destroy that. Drop off this, well, let me put this slug in here. Get that made. Let's drop off this power shard. Just kind of free up our inventory space a little bit. Don't need these. I could just destroy the iron plates. We have those in the cloud. Don't really need to carry those. That's some empty canisters. Don't need those. That's an extra stack of food I don't need in here. These are worse, ain't they? That's 2 health. Oh, that's 1 health. Let's get these ones back. Those in. There we go. I don't know why I have rubber in here. Let's delete those. It's kind of a waste of space. Okay. Anything we could do in the MAM? So I would like to get more inventory space. That's gonna take more cable. So yeah, maybe we'll get more cable in. Everywhere I turn, we need more cable. Yeah, these will all be easy to unlock. We just need to go kill a few animals. I definitely would like to get the gas masks soon too, but we can blow stuff up too. I'd like to get the radars. That'll be a future thing. Radio scanning would be nice. The hardware, the hard drive scanning. And then this. I don't know if there's any more for... We can get a lot of this unlocked, but... Like, we don't really need the rifle and stuff because we basically have combat turned off. Because I hate the combat in this game. Okay. If I can turn it off, I will. I just want to focus on the factory. Okay, let's get the wire up. Oh, the cable, I mean. We could probably make it back here. So we have all this wire, but we're going to leave this alone. So we're going to have to build... Because cable takes wire, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, so we're going to have to build another wire factory and then a cable factory. So we need a copper ingot factory, a wire factory, and then a cable factory. We got all this room back here. I'm pretty sure there is a copper node right underneath of us. Do I have enough before I go down there? Probably don't. No, I need one more winch. Honestly, we might... If there's one down here we can destroy to get it. Probably not. I already destroyed them, because I think it was over here, wasn't it? No? Oh, yep, here it is. Yeah, I already destroyed that. Oh, no, that's bauxite. Where's the copper? You know what, let's just scan for it. Instead of running around like with a chicken with my head cut off. So that one's being used. That one is currently going. Oh, really? That is... Oh, there's no more over here. I thought there was 2 over here. Ah, I already got it set on here. Cable factory. Let's get that up. I already marked where the cable factory is going to be. Well, let's go over there. I do need a portable miner, though. So, let's go get one. Okay, this feels nice. Can I actually make it up there now? That's a stupid question. Okay. Cool. So yeah, we'll let that fuel thing fill up before we worry about that. Oh yeah, the portable miner. I should build some, like, crafting benches and stuff around. Spread around a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Portable miner, only need 1. Boom. Let's go make it. Oh, am I gonna have to clear out stuff? Probably. I'm hoping there are some nodes under here and stuff so we can fill in a lot of this empty space. If not, though, oh well. It's right here, okay. So yeah, we need to clear some of these trees. Either that, or just build it right over here in this empty space. So there's oil there, but the oil we can drag out. we have this. Okay, that's going to there. What is... Oh, this is a sulfur. This is our black powder, which is completely full at the moment. Yeah. So we got sulfur right there. We'll end up changing that. Maybe. I mean, we really don't need a whole black powder factory. That's unnecessary. What's it look like up here? There's a lot of space up there too. I don't see any nodes. There's some nodes there. I think that's radioactive though. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see anything else under here. See, I think we'll just build it up here. Then I won't have to build any foundations, cut down any trees right now. We're gonna need more room though, but we can build like the ingot factory here. Oh, that's gonna be this space here. Then we're gonna put the wire factory here, cable factory over here. Let me just double check over a little bit further if there's any nodes under here, if we're gonna need room for anything, but I think this is pretty clear under here. Nope, that's not a node, never mind. Yeah, I don't think there's any nodes right here, so we can definitely use that space for cable and wire. Beautiful. So that one's already going with something else, so... Okay. Beautiful. We don't have to deal with foundations right now. We can just get this made right there and build it up. Let me also get rid of this one, because that might be in the way for the miner. Probably not, but let's destroy it too. And I know Experimental's getting a patch next week. I don't know when next week. I didn't watch the video, I just seen the title of their YouTube video saying the Experimental patch next week. The only thing I'm really worried about is... Get that off straight and curve. There we go. The only thing I'm worried about Experimental is since I'm doing the randomized nodes, I really hope it's not a patch won't break the nodes. Like, this is copper now. Is it going to be oil after the patch? I'm really worried about that. I hope not. I mean, that is kind of the gamble with playing on Experimental. So if that happens, we'll figure it out, right? Okay. So yeah, we'll get this. I need the overclocks. I put my overclocks away. Although I think I only had one. So there's definitely a lot of risk playing Experimental, but I really wanted to mess with it, especially with the truck pathing and all that stuff. The nice thing is, even if stuff changes, we can make use of the buildings we have. We'll just kind of switch them over to making something else, I guess, right? Alright. Let's go grab some overclocks. Let's just grab that stack. We really don't need 100, but you know what? That's fine. Let's get that destroyed. Destroyed, not sorted. There we go. Are all these going currently? We'll check these really quick. Everything should be green. That's yellow. Why are you yellow? Because you are full. There's a couple yellow. It might just... I mean, this is still making though, so... Alright. And these are all still going. That's completely full. I think this one's the last in the line and it's completely full, so... We are doing fine. Oh, I thought maybe that one wasn't going. It's just the... When you're too far back, you don't see the smoke anymore. Yeah. Smoke disappears. Goes back. Disappears. Yep. Okay. That was just a distance thing. Had me worried there for a minute. Alright. Let's get the cables going. Well, copper ingots. And then wires. And then cables. So much to do. That can just go kaput right there. Let's get the overclocks in there. I think it's just 2, right? Yeah, 480. 2. Okay. We'll just kind of build this along the edge here. I'm trying to remember how many. I think we need 16, if I remember right. We'll still double check. We need this one. Zoop. We'll just zoop it down. Zoop that down. Should I make it closer to the road? I think I have an idea. Because while I'm just kind of building out buildings and stuff, I do want to also make some of them look cool. I mean, or just look different than just a box. So I might have a plan for the wire factory. See how this goes, but I might have a plan. Okay. Not very creative, but I try to be. So let's see. Let's put down a smelter. It's easier for me to just look at it in the production thing and then do the math of how many we need. Plus, if you put one down and select it, and then copy this over, it copies over what you have selected, so that makes it a lot easier too. So yeah, it is 30, so 480... I think it's 16, ain't it? Yeah, okay. I was right, but it's always good to kind of double check just to make sure. So I think we'll just do 8 and 8 like we always do. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then come around on the other side. Is that? Yeah, it is. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, everything should be even up for the outputs here. Okay, let's get this extended over to there, and this. Whoops, I didn't click. There we go. This to here. Need a door. Yeah, this might be cool-ish. I don't know yet. It's really hard for me to visualize things in my head. I'm somebody that has to see it, so we'll definitely be experimenting with my idea to even see if it looks good, if it works good. We will find out. But for now, let's get this up. We need honeycomb. Is it 10 all the way down? No, 7. We'll definitely move that cable as well. We'll have it go through the building, but it'll be different. Alright, let's get the wall in. I'm already on the wall. Just put down 1, paint it blue, and then copy it. So I don't have to paint all of them all at once. Just paint 1. Paint 1 and they're all painted. Man, I keep dropping down to like 30 frames every now and then. I don't know if it's just looking that way. There's something about that area over there that seems to like drop the frames. I don't know why. Of course, now it's not dropping, but I don't know. It's weird. I want to put another door right there. Never have enough doors. And we'll be making 480 per minute of these. Let's get the roof on. Oops, wrong button. Architecture, yes. Phys-Tech roof. Sure, let's just go that way. Oh, let me just make 1. Color it blue. And then finish it off. And I do follow it down because... Whoops. Yeah, that didn't turn the right way. So if you're facing the right way, it'll automatically turn. Yeah, that one didn't either. Now it's not doing it. That one worked. That one flipped over. That one did too. Okay. Those worked. Perfect. Okay. So let's get rid of that. But the way we'll do that is we'll just... So we don't lose power to anything. Put this there. Put another one over here. connect that to that. Then okay, we will lose power to some stuff because I can't connect anything. Okay, well. Would have been good. And I think all we lose power to is over there, and that's only going to be for a split second until we connect that to that. And now everything over there should have power now. So, yay. Okay. So we'll be bringing in the ingots right here, I think. Number 4. Number 7. Don't want a merger. Don't want that. We want that. Perfect. Make sure everything's lined up. Okay, this don't need to go as far because it's right there. Flip it around. Okay. Combine them all up. Whoa, nope. I think that'll be fine, yep. Get it back on default. Oh yeah, I usually hook up the power before I connect all these, but we'll do that quick before we connect all the center. Alright, and we need to get that hooked up to that as well, but we'll do that in a second. Let's go ahead and get the beam in. Make sure it's down the center, which is right there. Perfect. Then we just need this one. Go to these 4 right here. Then go 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Forgot to color the beam as well. There we go. Connect that to power. Oh yeah, doing it up here is easier than doing it from the ground. Connect that one there. Move up 2. Whoops! Where'd that go? We already got powered up, so we don't need to connect this to the other one. Alright, they should all have a yellow light. Yellow, yellow. And yellow. Perfect. Let's go get the ore into here. Right there. I'll go ahead and move that over. Not that it really matters, but... Can it fit? Perfect. Okay. I don't mean can it fit, I mean like, is it long enough? I don't know if I'd have to do 2 different conveyor belts, but... Anyway, they are going now. So now we'll go ahead and make the output, which I think we'll do... Well, actually we're going to do it in the... Probably right there. Actually, I didn't want to destroy that. I have a better idea. Because, let me get this really quick. All the mergers. Let's go ahead and merge these up. That's this way, right? Yep. So this will be here to merge all of them. Right down the center. Okay, let's get that hooked up. Alright. And these will take a little bit to get caught up on. I think they should be... Yep, it's coming. It just takes a little bit. Because all those will kind of fill up first. So I'll probably wait on expanding this out and everything. I will let this all kind of make and get filled up. Okay. But yeah, I will be putting, I think, a conveyor hole, like right there. So I think from there, if I take that up, kind of straight over. Maybe we'll move it, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a door there. Then it's just the door straight into that factory. Could put in like a little hallway right here. No, I wouldn't want that because I'd want to be able to leave. I don't want to have to go through 2 buildings. So yeah, this will go this way. I don't know how far yet. This... Alright, this is gonna be fun part. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, let me see what we need. So, production, constructor. Need to put it this way. And this is gonna be the wire, which I think is... It's 15, so we're gonna need 32 machines? I don't think I need to do the math. Should I do the math anyway? Sure. 480 divided by 15. Yeah, 32. Okay. So... 32 divided by 4 is what? That'd be 8. I don't want to do 8. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, it is a little longer than this one. Okay. That is fine, though. It's gonna go to here. Okay, I don't know where that needs to go up. Let me... And that'll get moved too, because... Yeah, because it will. Alright, then right here... Probably just on this side, I don't know. That is gonna... Yeah, that's gonna connect right there. We might use different stairs. Okay. Just trying to figure out how... I mean, I'll still do these, I think. Right there. And then that. And that hole right across from it. If that's where the hole goes, I might end up moving it. Alright. And then... I think it'll be easier... I think this is... Yeah, it should be tall enough. So basically... Let me put the roof on. Let me finish building that part out first, then we'll get the roof on. Oh jeez. Okay, let's get the roof. Ow. It'll fall off. Just to go that way. Oops. I'm gonna put it like that. Oh, it is 10 all the way down. Awesome. That makes it a lot easier. And this one needs to go that way. Okay. Now we need foundations. We're just gonna build the building over the road. And then back down the other side. So it's gonna be 4 rows. So it's gonna have a row there, 2 rows up here, and then a row down here. So it's gonna be basically a tunnel building. Basically, I guess you could call it. I mean, this will be... Here's, well, let me go ahead and get that right there. That's kind of what I had envisioned. But yeah, we'll still put this here. Yeah, hopefully it looks okay when it gets done, but... Yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, and we do need the staircase. We'll probably just put the staircase right here, maybe? Let me see what that comes down to. Yeah, we'll just use the regular staircase, though. This one. Yeah, that'll be fine. And then for this, we do need to make, like, a... We can have just like a glass wall around it. And then our ceiling, which needs to face that way, okay. Okay. Sure, why not? Okay. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, we will need places to bring up materials, but we'll bring it this way. And then it'll go up through a hole right there and into the next floor. And we'll have a little section just like this over there. Yeah. Don't like that, but nothing we can do about that. Okay. So let me grab this. Yeah, I think we'll do this way. It'll be a little bit closer because... A little closer that way, I mean. Yeah, because I want 2 rows up here, but we still need enough space in the center to merge everything. And then we'll just do the 1 row down there. Okay. So let's go ahead and get... It's 8, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4... 5, 6, 7, 8. On this side, might be running out of materials, but I think we're fine. It's gonna be on that one, I believe. Yeah, that should be enough space. And we can put it a little closer, I guess. Can we put it? I think we can do it there. I don't really want it that close, though. I think this will be fine. This ain't really going to be any walking area much up here, which is fine. Okay. So now we got that. We build up the... I will build it as if this is the first floor. I usually do second floors. I don't usually have this kind of window, but I think it'll actually be cool. For that, maybe? To look down? I don't know. I don't want it along here, though. Or along here. I think I'll use a regular wall. Yeah, just a regular wall along here. And along here, I think. Yeah, do a regular wall. Then we'll grab this. We'll still do this along here, though. Whoops, did I blocked that? That's funny. Okay, and then we'll just need another... Oops, another wall. Oops, that was right. Come in. Okay. And this will have the roof on it. Going that way. It's so hard to see. I think so. Yep, it is that way. Flip that this way. There we go. Oops, I didn't mean... Oh, well, fine. Let me destroy that, though, just so I can go with the even 10. Dang it, I keep clicking. My heavy fingers. That's one bad habit I have, is I rest my fingers on the mouse. Nothing good comes from that. Okay. So we got that done. Now we just need to bring this down on this side. Which we'll put a door here. Along with this, going 9 that way. And that's... And then that. You know, I think that looks kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, that does look cool. I might unlock those... Do I already have them? This, yeah. I don't think this will look... Oh, that's the wrong way. I thought they would be the other way. I think you can buy them the other way, though. Maybe cool to just kind of put like a triangle piece there, just so it's not a squared off like that. I don't know. Oh, maybe there. That we could. Will that look... Honestly, we might... I definitely just change the colors, though. I kind of like that, maybe? And then maybe put this piece... Well, that wouldn't really look good, though. So I was thinking put this kind of across, too, but then there's that gap right there. So I think we'll just do that. I kind of think that looks good. I don't know if we should color these blue as well. Yeah, let's just color these blue too. I mean, I will color it blue upstairs as well, but... Does anything travel on this road yet? Oh, no, nothing even travels on this road yet. Okay. Cool. Oh yeah, because the other road, that one's the one that goes up there to there. Alright, let's go ahead and make this out. I don't know how far we need it out yet, so let's go ahead and make the machines. And we'll probably put a staircase over there, too. To go up and over, right here. And down. Okay. Let's grab this. Yeah, we can just put it 8 along here. I think we'll do the same with input, yeah. That'll be fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is it. So that's... How big was this side? I just want to make it the same. Is it just 4? 3. 2, 3. Yeah. So destroy that one. Then take this. Whoops. Take that down. And then we'll build the wire factory right there. Maybe we can kind of build it as an L shape around this little... That could be cool. I mean, we already have an L-shaped building, but... Yeah, I think we can do that, too. Alright, let's go and get this... up here. Okay, before I build the ceiling, let me... get this... stairs in. Perfect. Let's grab the ceiling here. What did this one leave off? What direction? And I can kind of keep it even that way. Okay. Needs to be just like that. It's gonna be more than yeah, that'll be fine. I can delete the excess. And this one this way. Oh, there's only one excess. Okay. Oh, I did this wrong. Whoops. That actually needed to be faced the other way. So both of them need to be moved. Make sure that's right. Yes, okay. Then this one. Go that way. Okay. Just delete. Oh, I don't have an excess one. Okay, cool. This will go ahead and slap a door right there too. Might as well just have the doors go all the way through, huh? So we can go outside and see how it looks. Nah, but oh, we need that one corner piece over here too. Not bad for somebody that ain't very creative. Okay, we need to get this over here too. This will be just like that. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, for that, we might actually have to move it over there just to make sure it comes down and over there fine. Unless we take it over there, because the staircase is right there is the only thing. I also need to get that moved too. Also gonna put in a door right here too. Okay. Let's grab... Oh yeah, I don't have any power come over to that yet, do I? Let's grab this and put that there. Oops, no, don't connect that one. That's gonna be deleted. Connect that to that, that to that. Where else does this go? Because that's going through there, ain't it? Oh, it's not. That's the only way it's going. Okay, cool. So we'll go ahead and just delete that, this, and then we should be able to connect that up to there. And everything's still yellow. Okay, everything's still powered. But I will go ahead and move this and also put it at the end. Just so we have power right there as well. Then I'll do the same on the outside. Because this will need to go... Well, we can connect... We can connect from the inside. No, because I don't want to go across that. We'll connect this to here. Then we'll take this and bring it up there. Huh. Actually, it looks kind of interesting. I don't need one right there, but I think it'll look better having it right here as well. And then this one right here. There, it kind of adds to the decor. Kind of. Yeah, I like this. It's nifty. I don't know about the mismatched... Unless I just put that window for that. I might do that, because that does look kind of off. Let's trade those windows for this one. Yeah, that looks better. Let's trade this one too. Okay. Oh, wait, what did, oh, hey, how did I not notice this? How did that happen? When did that happen? I don't know, but anyway. Yeah. I really wish I could fill that in. I don't think there's anything I can use though, is there? I think those, hold on, I want to see the coupons really quick. I think there's something I could use. I think we need to unlock it with the coupons though. How many coupons we got now? We got 4 more in there. We got 15 coupons, so we can unlock some other things. So for the walls, these ones. Let's go and grab those. I don't think I want the tilted walls. At least not right now. I think just the steel frame is fine. Let's go and check those out. See what else there is.
No Fix-It awesome.
Oh, you do
shop
have the round
transactions
ones,
constitute
kinda.
transferal of ownership. All product rights and ownership remain with Fix-It.
More beams. Don't really need those yet, though. Can I get these ventilation things just to kind of make factories look more realistic, maybe? I'll go ahead and grab them, why not? I've never used those. Those are just parts and stuff. Oh, the clean pipes are cheap. I'll just grab those. Wait, those ain't clear. I thought they'd be... I don't know. We'll just grab them. Alright. Let me go over and see my idea now. See if it's how I'm thinking. 'Cause again, I'm a visual person. I can't really see it in my head very well. Honestly, it kind of looks cool from over here, in a way. It just kind of looks like a big warehouse with, like, the truck entrance, which... We won't be able to put the truck thing in here. This is just a tunnel, but... let me see... is it this? This one. 2 meter or... No, the other one. Oh, that would just be another wall. That was stupid. That just makes a wall. So if I just put a wall... Let me try this. I mean, it might look better with that arrow, though. This just kind of makes it look a little bit more dull. I was just trying to cover that up, was my whole thing. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all. Well, yeah, that would have to be covered blue. Those look good. I like that, but it's these. I guess I could also just do that, but... Hey, hold on. Wrong one. I could do that. Just move that down there. See, sometimes I just have to see it to figure a way to do this. That looks good. Okay, let's go over here and change these ones. That is a different one, though. Oh, those look better than these? I think so. Maybe? So let's put this across here to cover up the foundations. Color them blue. Oh, they were already colored, apparently. And then, wrong one. Where do I need to put this? Hello? Oh, there we go. Color those. What's the bigger one look like? Is it this one? No. Inverted. Yeah, I don't really like that that goes down below that. I think the small one's fine. If I can get it back in there. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. Okay. Let's actually get everything hooked up now. What time is it? Oh, it's only 1:30. Okay, we're good. Okay, I have power over here. I have power over there. How do I have the power over here? Do I have it also? Okay, I don't have that. I will go ahead and put this the same as the other side as well. Whoops, not the power line. I want that. There. There, and there. I know I have plenty of power outlets to connect other buildings, whatever else we might build. Okay. Cool, I like it. Let's go ahead and get the beams up so we can actually start connecting stuff with power. And then bring over the ingots. Okay. So we'll actually be able to do 4 at a time on here, so we only need 2 of these, so right here will be 1. And then right here. Let's go ahead and connect that to there. Those 4. And then get these 4 connected as well. Alright, and let's go upstairs and connect those. We also need a beam right down the center. Which the center is a little off, but that's fine. Just put it over there. Okay, this one I will do every 2. There. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, let's connect that up. Did I get all these right? Yeah, okay. Okay, all these are powered up. Now let's go up, or down to the first floor again on the other side. And let's connect these up to power. Let me go ahead and grab that so I don't gotta paint them again. Oh, I'll just do it straight down the center here. Okay, power. I can just do just 2 of them again. And then between these 2 machines. Connected to power. Let's get up here. Maybe for these ones it's easier to stay on the ground. Yep, it is. Okay, all the machines are connected. Now, where we're going to bring in the ingots from... Well, yeah, right there. Yeah, I think we'll need to move that over. Actually, it might be fine right there. I just think... I don't think it can turn that sharp of a corner unless I put... Can it turn? Oh, it can probably turn that. Can Oh, yeah, that can turn that. Whoops. So never mind. That's fine. Can't do it straight, though. Just do default. Because, yeah, then it's not in the way. Walk in. And it's fine. So let's go ahead and get that connected to there. And yeah, these all got made, so those are all fine. Let's get this up. Facing that way. Is that a straight shot? That's what I was kind of hoping for. Oh, a slight curve, but I think it would have had to put the hole right there for it to be straight. That is honestly fine. Then really quick, I want to build the hallway for the conveyor belt. Because yes, conveyor belts get hallways too. These ones actually use a different wall though. I actually use this one for conveyor belt, the conveyor belt hallway. And that's there. Okay. There we go. There's the connection to the two buildings. Now let's get through and get everything connected. And then we can start working on the cable factory finally. Oh, we need cables. See, this is why we need a cable factory. And we definitely need uploading to the cloud too. 100%. We need it on the cloud. How's it look from over here? Not too shabby. Okay. Oh yeah, there was one thing I wanted to do. But let me grab... Where was the cables at? Oh yeah, it's down underneath. There is one thing I want to do quick. For the final decorative piece. In there, yep. Let's just grab 4 stacks. Okay. Well, that looked good. So it's not so much a... I don't know if the big one, though, since that one's a small one. Oh, yeah, that looks horribly stupid. Oops. I would actually need this one. Okay, I don't think this is going to look good. Unless I put that there. No. That's fine. Never mind. I don't think I could make that look good. I mean, it looks okay now as it is, so... Alright. Oh yeah, we need to finish building these out. Get these all connected, then we'll work on where the conveyor belt goes. These can at least be making something. Or not something, cables. Do I have these selected? Oh yeah, wires. Then it'll be cables. We gotta make the cable factory. Duh. Okay, there they go. And then we're gonna have it come up. We're gonna make a conveyor belt hole right there. I'm just gonna make a hole in the ceiling to get up there. And then this will actually be... Oh, I don't need to dismantle that. Let's just put in a hole. Oh, logistics. Yeah, then I can make it up a little higher, because I think that would actually be more straight for this. No, it won't be. It would be straighter down. Oh, maybe. Now it's just going to be down more. You know what? That's fine. So yeah, that's where... Well, let me make sure that's where it's going to go. Let me... Oh, yep, then it'll go... Bloop! Right through there. Okay. So yeah, this is where that's going to go. Let's finish it. Let me get the ceiling back on, too. I think it's that way. Yes, okay. This also needs to go up. Put it on straight. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, let's get over there. I have a door right here, don't I? Nope. We need a door right here and right there too. Oh, but a door right there and there is not going to help me. I need to get the second floor. Let me go ahead and just build these anyway. Okay. Yeah, we need to go up. Right here. Alright, so it's going to be coming in right there. So we'll go ahead and get the splitter. And like I said, there wouldn't be much walking space up here, but that is fine. We won't really need it here. Once we get this all built out, built up, whatever. I shouldn't really have a reason to come back in here. Oh, there's one more. Or maybe two more. Oh, that was it. And wrap this around this way. Oh, this is a little bit less space here. Yeah, we're gonna have to just put it like that. Oh well. It still works. Yeah, I probably could have pushed them a little tighter, but... not a big deal. You can still fit one in there. Wrap this around. Sure it looks okay. Right there. And there they go. Okay. So all these are getting it now. Now we need to... probably just a floor hole, I assume? I think? Oh no, it needs to be another one of those. That goes up. Yeah, I'll just put that in the same spot, and then it'll go that way. Then this... whoop, nope. Floor hole. I think I did it right in the center last time, right? Pretty sure. Go that way. That way. Okay. Then we come down here. And yeah, this is the output here. This is the input. Hey, we actually did this pretty good. So that door is right there. The door might have to move. So yeah, right down the center. So we'll just go down the center here. Okay, wrap it around. Don't know about that staircase either. We might have to maybe... Oops! Oh, don't wrap it around. Never mind. It's only one row. Whoops. That makes my life easier. I'm so used to wrapping it around. Nope. And then pull that down. Yeah, we'll get rid of that door. Okay. Now, since there's quite a few machines, it'll take a little bit for it to all catch up on itself, but it should. Now, we have one more thing to do. We got those. And I am gonna just use this window, I think. Well, it is conveyor belts, though. I should stick with the windows that I usually use for the hallway. Those... Oh, it's not here. So I usually do those. I think they'll look fine up there. Because this kind of signifies it's the conveyor belts. Then I just need the roof. Let's grab that again. Honestly, just for... I think since that one is those windows, I think I'll just put these ones as those. It might just look better. Because this is a whole different kind of building, so I think we can do a little different. Let's get back over here. Around this one too. And we need the ceiling. Oh, not that one. Should I? I don't know if I should do a glass ceiling for that one. I don't think so. No. I'll just do a glass ceiling on these ones. Okay. So there we go. Got our wire factory up, and it looks beautiful. Alright, now the cables. We could check on the fuel. Or, yeah, let's check on that really quick, just to make sure these machines are all still going good, that everything's full, nothing's yellow, hopefully. Hopefully everything is green by now. No, still got one yellow, but... I mean, if everything else is still moving okay... Oh, it's actually the fuel that's the... So maybe that's okay if these ones back up, as long as these don't back up, right? I think that's the biggest thing, is these cannot back up. Otherwise it can slow everything down. That's yellow. You don't have any canisters. Oh yeah, if that backs up, it's not going to be making enough of these to make the canisters. Because these make the plastic that makes the canisters. And yeah, those two. Ooh. We might have to go over this later. But how are these doing? These are what matters most right now, honestly. These should be fine. Just kind of checking random ones. They all have 50. Yeah. Yeah, as long as these are fine, we're good. Because that's just making fuel for vehicles. Winch is actually filled up now, so we could start building other fuel stations. Should we do that quick before we build up the cable factory, or should we finish the cable factory? So I mean, these are just getting sunk now. So we're already up to... Yeah, it's giving us a bit of coupons though, so you know what? Let's just let this keep going for now. And yeah. Then we'll figure out where to put the fuel stations. Hey Mac, how's it going, man? Good to see you. I made another creative building, kind of. This one. Put it over the road. Hopefully everything starts getting made in there. Oh yeah, it's starting. Yeah, it's starting to get out there. Now we just need to build the cable factory for these wires to go into. Which I think the cable, we're going to kind of have an L shape right here to kind of fill this spot in. Thanks! I tried to be creative. My attempt. Then yeah, we'll be able to bring all the material out here and through a conveyor belt right into this one. Okay. This might be different though. Let me see. Because the cables I think I want to take out here and kind of wrap around this hill. Kind of like this, but I want to see how many of stuff we need first. So for the cables, which is what we are going to work on now. Ooh, it's 60 per minute. We're not going to need very many. 60 per minute. What do these make? 30 per minute. So we're going to need 16 machines. Okay. So yeah, not a lot. We can't put a door right there. So how do I want to put this to make sure it kind of makes a kind of an L-ish shape? I guess it's not going to be that big of an L, because... Oh wait, why did I put this... I meant to put this right here. That's funny. I messed up on that. Oh, it's not going to go that far, but that's fine. Okay, so this needs to be moved. Right here. Honestly though, it'd be better if that constructor right here, there's a reason, I mean this will just have an empty space, that's fine. But the reason I want the constructor here is so I can build another row for the output right here for the L shape. Alright, but yeah, we only need 16, because this takes 60 per minute. Each one of those make 30. We have 32 of those machines, divided by 2. Yeah, 16. So if I do 4 and 4, and then over here... Yeah, we'll just do that. It's not going to be as great as I was hoping for, but... I think if we do that... Oh, we need reinforced iron plates. Oh, of course we do. We actually got packaged fuel going, too. I got them all sinking right now, so it keeps going over there. Quite a bit of power now. Up to over 7,000. We got 10 more fuel generators up. We need to upgrade those, too, sometime. So we can add 10 more fuel generators there as well. Alright, let's go get some reinforced iron plates. Which again, I don't think I have these going off into a storage container. So I'm just gonna grab some from here. Alright, let's go back. Is that all I need? What else do I need to make these? Cables, of course. We should be fine on that. Alright. I'm gonna have a lot of empty space right here, though. We can probably figure out something. I guess empty space can be good for, like, train stations, stuff like that, so I guess... we should have some empty spaces around. Get rid of this one, and this one. Alright, let me... surround... No, so I'm usually pretty busy in the mornings. Sorry. Otherwise I'd go live earlier if I could, but... yeah, I'll keep that in mind though. Four. So this we need another 4, I think. 6. Yeah. think the other 4 I'll just put over here. Could actually just do that. Probably a good idea. Yeah, I'll do it this way. Okay. So there's our 16 machines. So this actually be kind of a zigzag shape, kinda? Not really an L shape. Which is good, it's a different style of building, so... I really need to get back into walking in the mornings. I used to walk 3 miles every morning. Now I do nothing. I really need to, especially since it's getting nice out. I really need to get back into walking again. Alright, this is an interesting building. Alright, I like interesting. Let's get this up. Hopefully this building will look okay when I'm done. Hopefully. Not an L shape anymore. We need to get the power pulled over as well. Which... we have that there. I should have put one right here too. I guess I still can. Just go ploop and ploop. Connect those two together. And grab that. Put it there. I don't think I need to put one on this side. Or is this gonna be where... I'll be fine. I was gonna bring the product in here, but I think I'm just gonna do... oh, excuse me. Do what I did over here. Just move the conveyor belt hole over. Then I'll have to figure out how to combine all this product. Yeah. Okay, we'll figure that out in a second. Logistics. Wall, it's gonna go right there and right there. I'm gonna assume this is gonna work, at least for some of it. Then we have plenty of room to bring this in. So I'll go ahead and put the splitter right here. Face it that way. Yeah, face it that way. And go right there. Then wrap this around this way. Whoops. How far down? Okay. Oh yeah, we're just going straight down, and we're good. Well, these ain't really down the center, but you know what? It's fine, I think. Could move these over, though. Yeah, I'm gonna move these over, just to make this even. Well, thank you, I appreciate that. I think it was over here, yeah. So where does it need to go? Right there? Yeah, I think right there. Looks good. Just need 4. Yep. There's already selected cable. Perfect. Oh, I forgot to bring in power. I usually do that before I set these down, but I guess I can do power from up here. Then I don't have to trip over that. Let's just finish this since I'm here. I kind of got ahead of myself there. I didn't even put the roof on or anything yet. Bring this over here, straight. Okay, so all those should be connected now. And yeah, then the mergers would just go along here, and then along here, and end here probably. And then yeah, we can put like a truck station or something out there if we need to bring the cables. Okay. Perfect. But now we need to figure this out. I might have an idea for how to merge everything. So we got all that. We got these down the center. And then of course these ones down here. Definitely merge it that way, otherwise the staircase is going to be in the way. So let's merge it that way, and then we'll figure out where to go from there. So when I was building this, I planned on, you know, getting the ore in, but I didn't plan on getting everything else out, the made product. Alright, merger. Let's go this way. All these merged. Okay. So it's going this way. What is right here? What's that? But I could... I think I know how to bring it over. Yes, I think I do. But is this going to be in the way over here? Oh, these ain't in the center, but I'm not gonna fix that. That's just gonna... Dang it, can't... I'm trying to get on the edge of the conveyor belt. There we go. So if I bring it in this way... Is this gonna clip? That is not gonna clip. Okay, cool. So that will actually be fine. So let's get back over here. Okay. So yeah, the hole would need to go... like right there. And then... we'll kind of be facing... that way, I think. And then this hole... be right there. I think. Let me see if this works okay. I might move the hole over slightly. That's, yeah, because that's going to be too much of a clip. We can actually move it over. That's actually fine. Let's just move it in front of this. Of course, it's not going to be perfect. I think that'll work. Yep. Okay. And then bring that into there. And I will make like... or maybe we can keep that. That can be just part of the design. The decor. Maybe we'll do the same over here, just opposite, maybe. Maybe? Huh. Alright, let's get up there. I don't know, well that was definitely YouTube. I'm fine on my end. I can safely blame YouTube for that one. Alright. I got 0 dropped frames, so... Alright, let's get the... right, merger, yes. Oh, are these all gonna fit on one conveyor belt? I guess I just now thought of that. 30 times 32. We might have to split it off. Oh, we are. Oh, we're getting the freeze. Hold on. Now this one's me. Now it is frozen. Who messaged me? Oh. Okay. Do. I wonder if this happens a little over 2 hours in every time. 'Cause it feels like it's always a couple hours into the stream that it always freezes like that. It's consistent. Alright, so how do I want to do this now that I know I can't do all of them? That I kind of forgot about that. I could take them out this ceiling, like take them halfway down. Halfway would be these ones right here. And then if I take it up... through the ceiling? Well, not through the ceiling, maybe through this one, then down. Or just over. Alright. We'll get that figured out, because we don't have a choice. We have to do that. So we don't have fast enough conveyor belt. So let's get all these merged. Get that here. Nope, not there. Here. They should be coming in, right? Yes, okay. Okay. So then I'm going to pull this up to right there. And I'll make a conveyor belt hole, because we'll be taking it all the way over there. So we'll build like a... Let's not put the ceiling on or anything. I need to get that done. We'll put the hole right here. Ish. So it doesn't give like a arrow or anything, so... Right there's probably fine. It's not going to be straight, but that's fine. Okay. Let's go finish that other buildings. Like, kind of... I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to finish this. Get the roof on, get them powered up. Okay. Let's put this way. Whoops. That way. Let's turn the wrong way. There we go. It needs to go all the way down. Is that the right way? Yes. Okay. Let's get the power on in here. Let's get the beam straight down that way. Perfect. And, well, we'll paint it. Then I'll just copy it over. Alright, now... Copy! Actually, I should have put it down. Oh no, that was right. It does have to be that way. Never mind. I'll put this one down. This one really only has to come over here. There does not need to be one down the center. Okay. Looks fine. Alright, let's get the power outlets. And then here. And then I think we can move... Yep, move right here. Oh, I did put it... Oh yeah, this one's gonna go over this way. Never mind. Although that would have made more sense. Yeah, let's do that. Yep. This way is going to make more sense. Let's go ahead and just put this right here. If I can get up. Just put it down there. We don't need it all the way down, but we will just take it all the way down to the end. Okay. So we'll copy that. This one. And this one. Alright, let me connect these to power. So I can see it light up yellow when I connect them. I'd like to bring that over to there, I think. Well, it's kind of in a bad place. It does kind of have to be right there, though. Well, no, it don't. Is that all that's... Yeah. Let's just go ahead and take this over this way. Avoid that conveyor belt. Well, kinda. I guess it'll hit it here unless I take it... over here. Okay. Then we'll actually take from this one over to right there. And hook up these four. And these four. Okay. That is all powered up. Okay. So we're only going to be doing half the machines first. I already got these hooked up though. Well, we got these 8 and then these 8. So basically we can just go put like that, bring this up. We can always move that if we need to, but then that'll be that 8 there. And this other conveyor belt would go to these 8. Okay. Yeah, this one will feed into there. Oops, maybe not. That's the wrong way. No, it's not. Oh, because I have it going in right there. I guess that'll actually work. That'll be perfectly fine. There we go. Just put it on straight. Okay. Alright, we need to get stuff moved over now. Now we can figure this one out. So, for that one, we need outside. We're gonna build a tunnel. And we're probably gonna come in through the ceiling. Let's bring this down. Oh, and this is off too, ain't it? So we're not gonna be able to build... Yeah, I guess it could just be a bigger tunnel. Because I forgot I had it right kind of down the center. Yeah, well, that is fine. We'll just build a big one. Get that off straight so I can get it straight, which sounds funny to say. So yeah, that'll go across here. Then we'll make a hole. So I don't have to look where it's coming down at. It's going to be going across the ceiling, so it'll be fine. You can nudge the walls? Oh, I did not know you could do that. I thought you had to stick it. Thank you. I don't know why I didn't think you could do that. Okay. Just put this right. This kind of in the center would be fine. Center-ish. Okay. Perfect. Let's go down here. So this will be going along the ceiling. Yep, I'm going to move that. Well, actually, I might not, because I don't want it to go along that beam. I think it just... could just do that. Just straight through. I mean, yeah, it hits the cords, but there's really no way around that. They're gonna hit cords. Okay. What was a half nudge to? Well, jeez. Thank you. I had no clue. That would have helped with some issues I was having before with the truck stations. Alright, so those are all going. Now we need to get the other ones in. Alright, we need to hopefully start it over there. So I need to take this that way. No, we're gonna have to take it that way and then down. Kind of the same way that's going, but we can take it down through the roof and then... I can move that though. I can move those. But I have to... Well, there's nothing on the ceiling. I could take it along the ceiling too. So... Whoops, not a constructor. I want that. Merger. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and merge it this way. If I don't get stuck. There we go. Alright. Oops, did that go? Yes, it did. Okay. Nope. Let me get down there. It'll be easier to do this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just go. No. Hello? Did I put this the wrong way? Oh, I put that the wrong way. Oh. How did that happen? It needs to go that way. Because I didn't turn it. I don't know. Okay, we're good now. I don't know what happened there. Wait. What is that belt doing? What are you... Oh, this one's the wrong way. Ha! That's the problem. Wait, no, this one's the right way. I need it coming this way. Okay, let me delete these really quick. Was it that one that I put the wrong way? I put all of them the wrong way except the last one. Okay. Nope, those ones are right. I put the last one the wrong way. Apparently. My head hurts. How did I put this one the wrong way? I don't know? I don't remember turning it. Alright, well. Problem solved. Okay. So now we need to get these out of here and down to here. Preferably to the other end, which honestly we could just do a conveyor belt along here, down, over, up, over. It works, right? That's all that matters. So I did put that one there, so I will put this one through here as well. Kind of keep it similar. I'm not going to take it across to here, because I don't want to invade with that. I'll take it down and out. So let me get the whole... Whoops. Where's that at right there? I'll just put it right there. Okay. Oh, is that a good spot? Yes, that is. Okay. Actually, I need out there. And then... yeah, I'll just bring it straight down. What kind of straight down? We'll just kind of put it... actually, it would work straight down, wouldn't it? If I do... right there... yeah, that'll connect right there. As long as that's facing the right way, but it should be since those are coming in right there. Yes, it is. Okay. So we'll do that, take them down. Okay. Then we'll take this just along the ceiling here. On a nice little trip. Alright, we need... how many machines is this? 8. Yeah, I think I did, yeah. Yes, that's right. Just making sure I'm doing the math right on everything. So coming in this way, merging, I need to get down here. Okay. Because yeah, I could have brought them down this way, but the building's over there, so I think it makes more sense to take it up and over there. Alright, so let's get this there and just wrap that around. And that'll be fine. Okay. So we got 2 conveyor belts with wires now. They should all be set up fine. Hopefully I didn't do any math wrong or anything. I probably did, but you know what? It's fine. So that is where it's going, right? Although, it will be where it's going. Let me get this here. We might have to move that over slightly. Well, gonna have to move that over slightly. Okay. I didn't connect all this up, did I? Nope, I only connected that. Okay. Alright, hopefully this will work. I guess you said I could nudge these. I could nudge these too. Down a little bit. There it is. So I'd like to get that more even. Oh, that nudges that way. Oh, that don't nudge up and down. Well... oh, vertical nudge. Page up and page down. That's weird. That's fine. Is that actually straight? I mean, it is in the glass, but... can I raise that up just slightly higher? I mean, it will go into that. Oh. I don't know if I could nudge that down slightly. Nope. Yeah, I don't think I can. It's either there or into there. It's fine. I'll just let it do that. That looks pretty even, Steven. Okay. Looks like it's right on that line. The enter is right there. Okay. Still put this the same. Okay. They're all going now. Well, I must have did the math okay, because those are still bringing in. I mean, I don't have any outputs yet, so these are probably full, yeah. So we should be making, I think, 480 per minute of cables. I don't think I need to do the math on that. I think that's accurate. Okay. Oh, thanks. I wish this was kind of made a little bit better. I'm not going to make the hallways right now. I really don't want to deal with this anymore. I just want to get the cables all merged and in a box. Probably right here. I think the box would look good right here. Let's get the storage container. We'll go this way, because I'm sure the truck stop will be right there if I do. Or over there. Well, they would come out right here, so let me move that back a little bit. And let me just... yeah, put it that way. Because I'll take them underground anyway. Okay. And then I'll just put a... we'll figure out where the hole goes after I get these all merged. Yeah, I think all you gotta do is take it down this way, then around... whoops. And take it along the ceiling probably, and then that way. Ooh, that's gonna be... no, we need to take it that way. So we might put the box right there. Because it'll be a lot easier to merge this way, and then just wrap around. Then we won't have to take it on the ceiling at all. So yep, we'll be moving the box. I should have did this first. That's fine, doesn't take long to move the box. Nope. After this, we'll kind of figure out the fuel situation. See how we can figure out how to get fuel delivered to truck stations, but I think the only way to do that is by having a truck station to deliver fuel to, and then the truck station feed into the truck station. That's the only way I can figure out how to do it. Because I don't think you can deliver fuel into the fuel slot, can you, from trucks? It's like if we set up 2 fuel stations, we need to have a truck delivering to them, and then... yeah. Have that truck station feed into the truck stations. So I really didn't want a whole bunch of conveyor belts underground feeding the fuel. I wanted to kind of deliver it to where it needs to go, and then feed out from there. Okay. So yeah, we'll take this out this way. So let's go ahead and make a hole. I didn't make a hole over there yet. Okay. I was just gonna copy paste it, but do that right in the center. That's out that. Okay. Let's make a door right here. I thought I had a door over there. I was gonna copy it. Oh, I'll just put it here and paint it. And then we'll put the storage box. So we can just kind of put it right here. I'd like to put it against the wall. Kind of. Kind of hoping for like... that works, I guess. Okay. Let's get the signs. That's under... oh, it's right here. Hello. I'm pretty sure we're making 480 per minute. There's one more door over here. And then here, we'll make it 960 per minute of wires. Grab that and put it on this wall. And this one. And this one. Yeah, but I would still need to do just conveyor belt spaghetti underground to get to all of them. I want multiple locations to have, and then spread out the fuel from those to other truck stops. If you know what I mean, I don't know. I'm not explaining it very well. I just don't want a conveyor belt going from from that place there all the way around. I want to kind of bring them to a truck stop where it can feed out from there to a few truck stops instead of one feeding out many places. Because I know about the pit stops, but I don't know. So pit stops I would need everywhere too. These are making 480 per minute of the whoops. Whoops, not iron, copper. Okay. I think that's the only door in here. Oh no, there's one more. Not that I really need to put a thing on here, but sign. But if I can make little pit stops, that would be good. I just still need fuel delivered around the map too. This must be full up, huh? Oh, nope. Oh, it's still going. We got a lot of this stuff. We probably don't need to make any more. I feel like it's probably about enough, huh? Okay. Yeah, these still ain't going, it seems, at 100%, but the power is still going. I don't know what... The math on doing this was so hard yesterday. I was driving myself nuts because I had to do a lot of some underclocking, and I don't even know if I got the math right because that one keeps turning yellow, and this one too. But these are still full up on fuel, but they're connected to the other ones, so I guess the only thing those are slowing down is just the packaged fuel, which is okay. So yeah, that one's yellow too. Like, what's it? Wait, you shouldn't be yellow. Oh, it might be getting... Oh, it's full, that's why. And they're coming over here. Are any of these yellow? Yeah, this one's yellow. Yeah, this one's missing empty canisters. So why was that one getting full up then? Oh my god, that's why. Oh god, I feel like an idiot. That probably solved my whole issue of that turning yellow now. I'm really glad I wasn't going to go through and do all the math yet. I'm glad I just checked the conveyor belt. I didn't connect it. Oh, good lord. Alright. So yeah, we got all those syncing. We unlocked the smart splitter. So I could just have the overflow going into there so it just keeps going. So nothing over there gets halted at all. Plus, those give pretty good coupons. They've given me probably 12 coupons already. So, they give good coupons. But yeah, we need to figure this out. I'm thinking of just 2 truck stations, get them full up, like have 1 truck delivered to both stations. Because once they get filled up, then that truck will still have some fuel remaining, so it can deliver to 2 stations. Yeah, finding out how the pit stops work, that would be good to do. Well, I like that this can replace differing fuel. That'll help too. So I won't have to go and empty out all the stations. Maybe that'll be something I research. I mean, I don't usually like looking up guides, but this would actually probably be the first time I look up how to do something. So maybe we won't do that now, because I only got about 20 minutes left, so we'll deal with that next time. Right now we do need to get some more manufacturing up. We could get the plastic and rubber going, so we replace plastic and rubber to do this. There's another oil place over here. Right there. Another oil. So we could start plastic and rubber. Because there's none left over from that one. We don't have plastic and rubber automating at all right now. Alright. So I could go ahead and just go all the way to the end. Okay. See, with the pit stop, I know it was easy when you can record them, because you could record them stopping at a pit stop and just waiting there for a few seconds and then taking off. Now you can't do that. Now the only option is load and unload with the new truck system. You just connect them to the path, and I'm pretty sure... Let's see what this fuel this guy has. 'Cause if this guy has that fuel, then they do. Nope, he still has coal. So he's not picking up that fuel as he goes by. And all that's set is load and unload. And it should have replaced that coal, him driving by, so... I don't know how that works with the new truck path. Because he drove right by it and did not get that fuel. Maybe that'll be something they take care of, like maybe there'll be a refuel only. Yeah, I don't know. But let me go ahead and fill that back up. Alright. I'm gonna need some refineries and the oil thingy, so oil extractor. Oh, we're gonna need motors soon too. And then the refinery we're gonna need quite a few of. So let's go grab a bit of motors. After we get the rubber and plastic going, we should definitely automate motors. Because we don't have that automated right now. We have plenty probably to get us through, but honestly I don't... Well, I do need that many because we're going to be making more refineries than that. Okay. Thankfully with the oil and everything, I don't need to make a building for it. This is all fine. Those are just way too tall to really do a building. I used to do buildings and kind of have those smokestacks sticking out the top. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. Alright, where is the oil? Was it over... Now that I made all this, I don't know where the oil went. It was like right here, but... There it is. Found it. So we need that oil extractor there. Doesn't really matter what way it's facing. Let's get some power over there. Can I grab from that one? I can. I'm missing iron rods. Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be? I don't know if iron rods was being delivered anywhere. What are these? Oh, that's wire. Do-do-do-do. Iron rods. There they are. Just grab a few stacks. Definitely need to get some more signs up, but we need to get that automated too. That's kind of low on the priority list right now, though. Alright. Oh, we need to get this overclocked, which we can do 600. I don't know how many... Yep, that's 600. Cool. Alright, let that just go for now. Let me make a hole kind of where to start. Oh, we need to kind of go over there. Guess it don't matter, and we'll have to have a pump to get it way up there. But yeah, I guess I can just start anywhere on this side. Okay. Let's figure out how to get up. That's pretty far down. So this is where I need like elevators when they're that far down. Like a maintenance elevator. Alright, these probably ain't yellow anymore, are they? Oh jeez, that scared me. A jump scare. Look at that, they're not yellow anymore. Who would have known a conveyor belt, a missing conveyor belt would make them yellow? That's funny. Okay. Let's get over here now. Whoa! See, I think we'll start kind of along this ledge and over, I think, is what we'll do. Well, I could make them over here and just kind of make it... kind of make that line kind of down here. So it really don't matter where they start. I can get the pipe system over here. Like if I put this kind of in a line, but just not connected to those. Oh, not that close to that though. Right there. Or is that too far over? Let me put the pipe hole so I can see where this is at. I can always turn that thing too if I need to. Let's put it right there. Oh, I did put it closer, I think. Yeah, I did put it closer. There we go. Only need the MK1s on these. They just look better. Okay. So this is not going to be fuel. I think we'll do... I think we'll just do the regular rubber and plastic. And then we'll make the petroleum coke, and we could build some more coal power plants with that for now as well. Oh, I didn't realize we could make liquid... Oh, liquid biofuel. No, I was thinking of the other thing. Yeah, never mind. I was thinking of turbo fuel. That's what I was thinking of. It's like, no, we can't make that yet. So yeah, we'll do the plastic and rubber. They all take the same amount, right? That's 30. That's the perfect. Okay, cool. So that'll be 600 divided by 30. So we 10 machines making each. Let me write that down. What are these called? Refineries? I think so. And 10 making rubber. Okay. Yeah, refineries. Okay. Oh, jeez. So where is it at? It's gonna have to go all the way over there. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just take it up and then over. Get a pump. It'll be fine. Okay. Let's go ahead and build up the 10 refineries here. Well, 10 for that anyway. And I don't know if I want 20 going that way. Let's just see how this goes right now. 3, 4, 5. We're gonna need to make more room. This seems like a lot. That was the math. Okay, just seems... I guess since these are so big, it just seems like this is a lot. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 3 more. One, 2, 3. Good lord. Okay. Yeah, I definitely don't want to keep going that way because we're kind of going off the map. I think this is as far as we're going to go. I see a hard drive. Hold on. Hey, we got a hard drive. I definitely can't get off until we get that, so we got to go do that.
Fix-It always did underestimate the power of a single cosmic ray flipping the right bit at the wrong time.
Okay. What do we got down here? Don't care about any of that. Okay. Let's go turn in the hard drive quick. Might as well grab him too. That's what I keep hearing. Every now and then I would hear that noise. Can't remember what that noise was, but I got over like 100 power shards, so I haven't been too worried about slugs right now. Let's go put in the hard drive, then go back and finish building those out. Ow. Hard drive. Okay. You know, once we get... I guess, yeah, right here is going to be more of those coal power plants. So once we stop using coal for fuel, we can actually expand that out even more. I think I can build like 9 more machines. So that'll be cool. So yeah, these should all be set to plastic. Yeah. Alright. We might as well build out the rest too. Oh, we need pipes. Let me make sure we get enough. Let me put 10. Alright. Yeah, we need some more motors, more copper sheets, more pipes. That's why I need to get the motors making. Okay. Steel pipes. So I think we have... I mean, we have them making. I'm just trying to think if we have them going into a container or not. I think we do. I think it was just the steel beams that we didn't have going into a container. What's here? Oh yeah, that's why I have some reinforced iron sheets. Forgot about that. Steel pipes. Oh yeah, steel pipes are right here. We're fine. And then copper sheets are just right over there. Right there. Let's just grab 3 stacks. Let's do another one. For good measure. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff out here. It's cool. We're just still in the starting area. We haven't even branched out yet. Alright, so we're gonna build another refineries out this way. I think just right there will be fine. Just kind of a little bit away from these. This don't have to be that far away though. It can be right there. And we'll just be merging all the plastic and then merging all the rubber. Yeah, all the merging will take place over there. I don't think I need all the merging to take place there, do I? I could. Probably not, though. No, let's put it right there. Alright, 10 of these. It's counting on the right side for me. Oh, I forgot to select what these are, didn't I? Dang it. Rubber. I selected the right one for this, right? Yeah, with the heavy oil residue. Heavy oil residue. These are both 20 per minute. 20. That's 10 on that, though. And that's 20. Oof. Just making sure. 30. 30. Yep, okay. Now I gotta copy and hope this pastes okay. Yeah, it's actually pasting all the way down. Nice. Alright. So now we just need to get... the whole... Oops, not that one. Not gonna get these started today, but gives us a good head start for tomorrow. Okay, let's get these ones. Alright. So we got all the plastic, all the rubber. We just need to fill them up with oil. It should be pretty simple. We'll just be coming from right all the way down there. Definitely gonna have to probably get 2 pumps for good measure. I'll probably get a pump down there, pump here, and then a pump at the end there to keep it going. Overkill, but I prefer overkill. So, make sure it goes. God, that's such a mess over here. Oh boy. Let me head back up. So yeah, we'll be doing that tomorrow. Getting rubber and plastic automated finally. Which thankfully won't take long. This turned yellow for a split second. I did see that. Should be fine though. It's all green here. How many coupons we got now? 11. This package feels pretty good for coupons. Yeah, I think it was like 194, I think. Last I seen. Earlier today, or 193. It goes up and down. I check it almost every morning, which I shouldn't do. How about I should get those signs? Well, there's the lights. Street lights. We need street lights. Street lights would look cool. We're going to unlock this indoor lighting. We'll just get all the lighting stuff.
If
Got
you
5
sense your
left.
productivity slipping when it gets dark, don't worry, this is perfectly natural. Fortunately, fix-it lights allow you to never experience wasteful darkness ever again.
This is the paints I was looking for the other day. But I am kind of mixing the trucks now on the same road. Unfortunately, you can't overlap the truck path, but you can put them next to each other. I hope they make it so you can overlap them. Oh, I might have to use the universal truck route, maybe. Truck path. Then I could probably mix them. Yeah, I don't know. We'll hold off on this for now, I think. I don't think there's anything else that I need. What was the tar roof? I don't think I've ever used the tar roof before. Let's see what that looks like sometime. No, I think the tar roof is what I used for my oil factories in my other game. Can't afford any of these except the unpainted. Oh, was there anything else? We already went through that. Got those. Get the cyber wagon. I should start getting some of these things as well. Sorry, when my brain is like overworked, I yawn. My brain is tired. So yeah, oh yeah, the ma'am. Gonna check that and then make a little note for tomorrow, and I think that's gonna be it for me. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there's plastic. Oh, that takes rubber though. Well, now it gives me a I think I'm gonna rescan it. I mean, I already set up a whole thing to make these. I'm not gonna. Oh no, I'm gonna rescan. Yep. Is it? Nap sounds good. Ooh. Fortunately, water though. That would be in a different area. I don't want any of these. I mean, I don't care about those. I guess I'll just get this for future. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, because there'll probably be places along here, along the rivers and stuff that we can, if there's any iron. I really need to get rid of some of these. Like I can get rid of that marker. I can get rid of that one. Fuel power. Why do I have fuel power? Oh, apparently I was going to put fuel power over here. There must be an oil over there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that because I didn't do that. Sam I can remove. We already got something there. Let's clean this up. We have a dismantle crate there. What is that from? I don't like those hanging around because those just kind of take up space. Must be underneath. There it is. Oh, jeez. Good lord. Where did this... Why did that... I don't know. I'm not even gonna ask questions. I'm just gonna delete. Oh, jeez. I've never seen a dismantle crate with this much stuff in it. Like, how does that happen? I'll just keep that. How? Like, what did I destroy that had all this in it? Okay. Sure. Okay, well, it's gone now. Okay. Anything else to clean up while we're here? Steel factory we can remove. That's already been made. Oh, this is... hard drives. Hard drives over there. Sam ore, I think we're using that. If we're not, we don't need the marker though. Oil geyser, I'm going to remove that marker. That looks a lot better now. I didn't know there was tooltips on that. I don't know how I got it though. It's not coming back. There it is. Kinda. It's very finicky. I didn't know there were tooltips like that. I can't get it back. Yeah, we have a long way to expand. 'Cause I would like to finish off in the desert. Maybe like build like the main thing over there. Like do the very final phase. Just have everything eventually head to the desert. Let's do one last check on the fuel, make sure that's going good. I guess I don't need to make a note for tomorrow because I already have a note over there. And I'll just save over here too. I don't know if I'll get on later to fix the road paths and maybe switch the path over to the universal truck path. This one. Yeah, I might switch all the truck paths to the universal. Is there a way to just... No, you can't. Oops, that's going because it's going the wrong way. Oh, I can, kinda, but I might switch all the paths to this. Since he turns pretty good on these bigger roads, I don't mind if they share the road with everybody else. I was thinking it'll be so much easier not having to switch between what can drive on what. I just want them to be able to go. You know? Take it easy, man. Have a good night, and I hope to see you tomorrow. I will definitely be on. Yeah, I need to get off. So, yeah. Take it easy. And, yeah. See you tomorrow. As I already said, I'm tired. So I'm going to bed. Well, I'm not going to bed. I'm going to go get some coffee. Peace.